Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to use social media for productive purposes. Let's dive in. Step 1. Choose the right platform. Start by selecting the social media platforms that are most relevant to your interests and goals. Consider platforms that align with your hobbies, career, or community involvement. Step 2. Set boundaries. Establish boundaries by setting a schedule for your social media time. Allocate specific times to post and engage, and ensure you are not distracted during these periods. Step 3. Create a content calendar. Develop a content calendar to plan your posts, events, and initiatives. This will help you stay organized, focus on your goals, and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Step 4. Share valuable content. Create and share content that adds value to your audience's lives. This could include informational posts, inspiring stories, helpful tips, or engaging multimedia content. Step 5. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, messages, and inquiries promptly. This shows that you value your followers and keeps your relationship strong. Step 6. Collaborate with others. Connect with influencers, bloggers, and other professionals in your field. Collaborate on projects, share resources, and support each other's growth. Step 7. Monitor your mentions and mentions. Keep track of the mentions and conversations surrounding your brand or content. This will help you identify trends, opportunities, and potential challenges. Step 8. Adapt your strategy. Regularly evaluate your strategy and adjust it as needed. Keep track of what is working and what could be improved, and make changes accordingly. Step 9. Stay positive and focused. Maintain a positive attitude and focus on your goals. Avoid negative scrolling or engaging in toxic behavior on social media. Step 10. Measure your success. Track your progress by measuring key performance indicators (KPIs) such as engagement, growth, and reach. Use this information to evaluate your strategy and make informed decisions for the future. By following these steps, you can successfully use social media for productive purposes and enhance your personal and professional life. Happy socializing!